On to the next thing. It's that time. My son is, y'all hear the truck rattling. He's tearing my truck apart. Y'all see? He's tearing my truck apart. Ooh, what's that? Tearing my truck apart. Oh, goodness gracious. My door is torn apart. Oh, man. My kicker, speakers. It ain't too bad. It's just dusty. A little dusty. But she's being revamped, y'all. Revamped. Just so y'all know. See, inside. She ain't bad. But she on to new things. It's that time of the year, 2025. We just turned 52. So why not come up with a change, a little something, make myself feel better. You know what my man said in Players Club. So he doing something to make me feel better. So bop, bop. He don't look happy though. I don't know why. You know. I've been doing a lot. He can have it. He just don't seem like he too, I don't know. Had a bad conversation with a girl or something. I don't know. Yeah, I got a smile out of him just now. You know, I guess it was a smirk. I don't know. Y'all tell me, what was it? Okay, it looked like a smile. Yeah, he gonna rip through my little goodie box. Don't hurt yourself. Ooh, uh-oh. Uh-oh, I got that side. Ooh, pull it out. I'm already unboxing. Just pull it out. You part of the unboxing. Why you helping your daddy? Oh, that was awesome. What was that? Why you throwing it? That was him in a bag. Ooh, damn, bags, y'all. Fancy.
It's like I'm holding a baby.
Oh, he cradling my truck. Uh-oh, what happened to my lighting? He cradling. Oh, we just had a newborn child. Oh my goodness, look at that. Ho.
Got to wire that in.
Yeah. Ho. It's a nice wrap.
Seemed like the chrome's coming back.
Slightly. She got her. Hey, look. Look. CJ said a lot. I got a vision right now, and I'm getting ready to fulfill it.
I'm gonna leave
Something
this on
I
here
want to do. So yeah.
Leave that on
what's
there.
up. Yeah.
The driver.
Oh, right side out. You sure? Yep. Woohoo. Do it fit? They come with the screws?
Hold on. Because those ones were different. The screws were on that.
Right. That's what I said. Did it come with packed screws?
It better.
Ooh. Good.
I'm trying to put them in there. You sliding back and forth.
All right, you got it?
No, okay.
Oh, boy. Woo, get ready to have a heart attack. You can't make me. Woo, goodness gracious. Hey, Claude, let's not do that to me. Woo, let's come back to that when we see what it actually looks like. My son said, come here, y'all. So I'm gonna go out here. Ooh, so far, that's my first look. Okay, yeah. I got a smile on my face. Where am I coming?
Look at the
It looks good. Ooh. Y'all hear and stuff. I had them in here already?
It was the same one.
Oh, okay.
Only thing is I only have a blue wire to it.
Which one?
What do you mean which
You
one?
talking about these?
Mm-hmm.
I think, did they come on?
I'm still hooking up the other one.
It's supposed to, it's a blinker.
That's probably what the blue wire's for then.
Yeah, it's a blinker. That's
We
why.
gotta run it to the blinkers.
Yeah.
Again.
Huh? Oh, but I'm gonna show y'all what he doing right now. I'm trying to show y'all. Yeah, getting this drill on. But y'all know the usual rigmarole. You know, bye. 3 bolts, 3 nuts. Take the doors out the clips. You got 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3.
Look, see? That's the one that came off of it.
Uh-huh. Yeah, and then you gotta clip this one.
Mm-hmm.
And run it. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Woo! Looks like still hooked up. Try 'em out.
Yeah. Try them out. They look like a bunch of junk in there, don't they? No. It's a bed full of goodies, though. Junkyard good. Huh? Huh?
I don't need to do all that.
I don't?
The blinkers are not hooked up.
Well, what you asking me to do? Try them out? Oh. Okay.
And it switches. So once it goes up, you know, up, down, it's switched.
Y'all see that? It
I'll let you
actually,
take that off.
I ain't taking it off yet. It ain't done.
You want to take this off?
Nope, not until it's done. Yep, y'all see that? Temperature. Defrost. I like that defrost stuff. Ha ha.
I need to figure out where the wire's going to.
You got it?
I'm going to have to look it up.
My son, the mechanic, custom shop, all the goodies. You know, I used to have one at one point in time. So now he gonna end up doing something like that. You never know. Customizing cars and doing stereo systems and mirrors and tint and windows and all that good stuff. But I'm gonna get back to y'all. Hopefully,
82 degrees in here.
go on the music tip. You know what I mean? So, how's everybody today? Hopefully, y'all had a great day today. Y'all see, it's hot. We made it into 79 degrees. It was supposed to rain, but it didn't. So we didn't get no rain. So we trying to get some more things done. Because my son he has things he got to do as well. You know, see, boom. Ha, 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 ha. Got add wire. So yeah. He had things he had to do today, but he figured he was gonna help me out a little bit, help the old man out a little bit, you know. So We out here chilling. The ladies gone to Girl Scout. I'm actually home for a change now that Girl Scout's chilling. It's me and him today.
They stole my truck.
As he say, they stole his truck. So while they got his truck, we gonna do a little bit of things to it. Again, finish some things to it. Hopefully y'all like it, man. You know, it's time for a change. I got piping and stuff for my exhaust. As my homeboy Midnight say, you need to got to get your exhaust fixed and you bump your bed. You know, I know all these things. I'd already had the pipe in my brother, but I appreciate you looking out on the things that I need to do, because those are the things that I need to do that you called out. So I do have it already. Just gotta wait for my son to be able to have time, because I say I got a bad back. I can't even make it happen. Why you put that one over on that side?
I'm gonna switch them.
Oh, you gonna switch them? When? Well, how you gonna do that? If it's already hooked up.
Not switch the wire. Switch those up there.
Oh, okay, alright. I was a little confused, y'all. I apologize. You know, a little off there for a minute. But, I'm a little parched. I gotta get me something to drink. Give me a minute. Oh. Switchbacks. Don't roll down here on us. What kind of stuff is that? Don't roll down here on nobody. She said I wanted to hear the purr. That's exactly. They say purr. Roll down here on them, getting ready to hit my son. We gonna sue what we do. Oh shit.
tapped me.
Yeah. Oh, you tapped them. Uh-oh. We got problems.
Yeah.
Oh, we got problems, y'all. Oh man, we got problems. This lady just hit my son.